what are the challenges for Flutter in the future? Like, you've mentioned on one hand that this developer's journey through adding Flutter to existing app, this is something where you're looking for improvements. And what are other fields where you hope the Flutter will develop?
Yeah, enticing enterprise developers is absolutely high on the list, but I think unrealized potential on the web has got to be the greenest area right now for growth. And WASM is, I think, really going to have a big impact there. I saw some benchmarks the other day for a web app running on WASM, and frame times were in the 2 to 3 millisecond range. So that's 300 to 500 frames a second, which of course only the most ridiculous monitors can even achieve. But the performance of WASM, of Flutter compiling all of your application code, all of the framework code, not just to JavaScript, which has been done forever, but to WebAssembly, is so strong, and I think opens up such a tremendous opportunity for Flutter to be the runaway default web runtime. Our team is working very hard on it. We work closely with the actual WASM Council. I'm not sure exactly what they're called, but work closely with them and browsers and other companies to all make sure WASM supports everyone's use case, highlighted by a recent edition of WASM GC garbage collection, which Dart as a garbage collected language needed before a Dart app could ever be compiled to WASM. But this is all coming together now, and the results are so promising and just so exciting. I mean, 2 milliseconds for a frame. If it's the counter app just sitting there, that's not so impressive. But if it's if some stuff's going on, things are animating, that is very, very cool. Because the web is the greatest software distribution mechanism in the history of computers. And so Flutter's success on the web is the greatest potential kind of on the horizon, I think, right now.